In this video, we'll look into how to create dynamic charts in Excel. We have this data. There are countries USA, UK, and then USA and UK for clothing product category and laptops product category. And for clothing, products are shirts, trousers, and coats. The sales are 10. And for UK clothing, shirts, trousers, and coats, the sales are 20. And for USA laptops, Dell, Acer, and Lenovo sales are 30, and UK laptops, Dell, Acer, and Lenovo sales are 40. This is the simple data. So we'll see how to create the dynamic charts. Now let us create a list. Click on Data tab here. Click on Advanced and select Copy to another location. Delete this. The list range, I'll select this column, country, and USA and UK are repeating here, and we copy to this location. That location has been printed here, and click unique records only. Click OK. So we got the country, USA and UK. Similarly, we create a list for product category. So again, click on Advanced, Copy to, and now here list range, select the product category, and we'll copy to this location, then we select only unique records. So we got product category which are clothing and laptops. Now we'll create the drop downs. This is for country, this is for product, and for sales we'll create the formula. Now to create the drop down for this country, click on this data tab and click on the data validation, and we'll select the list, and the source would be for the country. This is the source, USA and UK. Then click OK. So here we got USA and UK. Similarly, for product category, let me name this as product category. So here we'll do similarly what we did for country. Select data validation and select the list, and for the source we'll select this and then click OK. So we got the source clothing and laptops, and we got the country here, USA and UK. So now if I select for country USA, for product category clothing, I'm getting nothing here. So I have to create the formula here for sales is equal to sum ifs, and have to select the sum range. Sum range is the sales. So select the sum range, comma, have to select criteria range 1. Criteria range 1 is the country. Select the country, that is 82 A13, comma, and we have to select what is the criteria. Criteria is this box where we can select either UK or USA, comma, criteria range 2 would be product category, comma, and criteria 2 would be this product category here, so clothing. Close this, press enter. So UK clothing we got 60. If you see here, UK and clothing is 20 plus 20 plus So if I select UK laptop, it is 120. Because UK laptops, it is 40 plus 40 is 120. So similarly, if I select for USA laptops, it is 90. USA laptops is 30 plus 30 plus, and USA clothing, if I select clothing, is 30 because it is 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30. Now let us insert a chart. Click on insert, and then we got charts here. Let us select. I'll select the 2D column chart. We drag this a bit. So now you can select the right click here and select data, and here we have to select the chart data range. But us the chart data range would be this one. Select this part and then click OK. So sales are is showing as 30 USA clothing sales. Now if I change it to USA and then laptops, you can see it is 90. So this has changed to 90. If I change it back to clothing, it has changed back to 30. Now let us select the UK clothing. UK clothing is 60. So it has dynamically changing this chart too. If there is more data, there will be more column bars here, and you can see for different columns, you can see different column charts. So this is here we got only one column chart here, so that it is showing as we are changing here, it's showing the change here. Select UK laptops, it's 120, so it is showing it as 120. So this chart is dynamically changing according to this change we make here. Let us insert column chart. So click on insert, and then here let us insert the bar chart now. So I'll select this bar chart now. Let me drag it here. Now right click here and select data and select data range and select this range here, then click OK. So now it is showing the bar chart. So it is up to UK clothing is 60, so it is showing as 60 here. So now if I change it to UK laptops, it is 120. So this has changed. Now it is showing it as 120. So if I change it to USA laptops, USA laptops is 90. So here it is showing it as between 80 and 100, it is 90. And let's select USA clothing, it is 30. So it is changing this values here, and now it is showing it as USA clothing 30. So you can either create a column chart or a bar chart, or if there are multiple columns, you'll get multiple column charts or multiple bars here, so that for more data you can clearly see how the data is changing according to the x-axis and y-axis parameters.